Effect versus affect. One has an E, one has an A. But what's the difference? Stay tuned and find out. Hi guys, just a short interruption. Please take a second and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much. Back to the video. Okay, effect versus affect. Let's get started. It is common for English learners, that's you, and even native English speakers, that's me, to mix up words that look similar or sound similar. So, what is the difference between the words effect and affect? One has an E, one has an A. What's the difference? Well, let's first imagine a situation. Miguel works for an information and technology company. He likes to drink coffee at his desk while he works. Recently, his boss has made a new rule, which says employees can only drink beverages in the break room, not at their desks. Okay. This has caused Miguel to be tired at work, resulting in decreased job performance. Now he is worried about his future with the company. Okay. Don't say, Miguel was deeply affected by the new rule. Say instead, Miguel was deeply affected by the new rule. Why? The verb affect means to influence or touch the feelings of someone, to make someone feel a particular way. Maybe good, maybe bad. This is what has happened to Miguel. His work performance has been negatively influenced by the new rule. The new rule has also influenced his mood. He feels uncertain, uncomfortable about his future with the company. On the other hand, the verb affect is incorrect here. The verb affect means to cause something to happen or bring something about. Okay, what does bring about mean? Bring about is a phrasal verb. It means cause or give rise to something. Bring something into being. Create something. Cause something to happen. Okay. Let's imagine another situation. Miguel's boss thinks the new rule will increase productivity and protect the office computers from damage, maybe from coffee spilling on the keyboard. So that is why his boss has implemented the new rule. Don't say, Miguel's boss thinks the new rule is bound to affect positive changes in the office. Say instead, Miguel's boss thinks the new rule is bound to effect positive changes in the office. Why? Well, here, effect positive changes means to cause or bring about positive changes. Miguel's boss hopes to cause positive changes with the new rule. He is not hoping to influence people's feelings or emotions. Understand? Okay. Effect is more common as a noun than it is a verb. So, an effect, noun, identifies the thing that has been caused or brought about. So the verb means to cause, and the noun is the cause or the result of the thing that has been brought about, created, caused. Okay, let's ask ourselves this question. What has been the result of this new rule for Miguel, the first example? Well, the answer could be Miguel is more tired at work, and because of that, his performance has been poor lately. Don't say, the effect of this policy on Miguel has been negative. Say instead, the effect of this policy on Miguel has been negative. Why? Here, effect, noun, means result. So the result of this policy has been negative. Okay, quiz time. Instructions. Fill in the blanks with either effect or affect. There are 5 questions. Number 1. Are you ready? The new CEO of Toyota, blank, major changes when he took over the company. Okay, I'm not going to read the other ones. You can pause the video and think about your answer. I will write the answers in the comments section below. Ready for number 2? Okay, number 2. Again, pause the video if you need more time. Number 3. All right, number 4. Okay, number 5. All right, check your answers in the comments section below and let me know your questions in the same comment section and your ideas for future videos. And since you've made it this far into the video, why don't you like this video and subscribe to my channel? I would really appreciate it. My name is Liam. This is Grammar Simple, the channel that makes English grammar simple, and I will see you in a future video. Bye for now.